This is a tool review of the Porter Cable P60TAG 4.5-inch angle grinder. The angle grinder comes with a grinding wheel, and the guard that is for the grinding wheel will not accept a cutoff wheel. So either you can purchase one or you can modify it. I am going to show you what I did to modify it. However, I do not recommend you doing this. If you do, it's at your own risk. The problem is the guard is a little bit too tall for when you put the cutoff wheel on there. It'll contact the guard. So the bottom of the guard here needs to be notched out so it can rest down here on the bottom where it has a notch on here, and then it'll be able to lock on with enough clearance. However, the problem is if you go and use a wire wheel, you're going to get a lot of wires shooting out of there because the guard won't be tall enough. So I added an extra piece of metal here. If you want to do that, I straightened this out and added another piece of metal that was 8 inches long, bent it around, and tack welded it on there. As you can see now, there will be enough room on the angle grinder here to accept a wheel, a flap wheel, as well as your grinding wheel. I've also used this unit to grind some concrete with a cup wheel, diamond cup wheel, and so far it's held up pretty well. I've had this for about 3 years now. It's considerably cheaper than where I paid for it. It is sold on Amazon now for $25, which I think is a pretty fair deal. Certainly it's not 11 amp DeWalt, it's just 6 amps. But for light duty use and occasional cutting, it seems to work just fine.